Hey guys, how's it going? We got something in the mail, but obviously I guess you could tell what it is from the title of the video. So, this is an unboxing. I haven't opened it. I just got it today. I haven't had a chance to look at it. So the deal is Futaba USA had an offer going on the 18SZ 70th anniversary edition. And I had my 18SZ for a couple of years now, and I love everything about that radio. I would have loved to upgrade to the 18MZ, but it's kind of out of my price range. And the 18SZ has almost everything that the MZ has. So before I purchased it, I looked through YouTube trying to find videos of people unboxing it or just showcasing it. I couldn't find anything. So for that reason, I thought I would make a video for people to look at it and make their own mind if they want to buy one. So let's go ahead and open it. So first thing, oh, my camera's not focusing yet here. External voltage input cable for free. With the promotion, they had a code that you enter during checkout, and they would include one of these for free. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm anxious to try it on my foam jets on my EDFs, because those are blast to fly. I love flying them. But you know, with 90mm EDF, you run out of juice pretty quickly and you want to keep flying. So I guess this will help me maximize my flying time with electrical airplanes. So I'll put it to the side. Well, I appreciate all the styrofoam they had inside the box. I mean, I'd rather have a messy shop than a damaged brand new radio, don't you think? So I'll get to that later. So this is how it looks. Let's go ahead and open it. I would think we'll be greeted with the blue limited edition caddying case. Yep. Beautiful case. Let me put the boxes away. I'm sorry about the shaky camera. I apologize for that. So manual. I would guess it's the exact same manual as the 18SZ. Yep. Looks like it. So for those of you who are not familiar with this radio, it's just basically the same 18SZ but with aluminum gimbals, which I'm very excited about. So it seems like there's a software update. I'll do that later. Some owner's reference card, service center, the location, some just supplemental documents, updates. So this seems different. It says this is the limited edition, all the special parts, aluminum stick assembly, black chrome case. Assemble the transmitter not available as spare parts. Use standard parts when you replace them. Okay. So if I damage my aluminum sticks, I have to put the plastic sticks again? The gimbals? I don't get that. But anyways. stick mode change to change it from mode 2 to mode 1. I fly mode 2, and I'm guessing this radio is going to be mode 2 out of the box, so I guess we'll find out. The case is beautiful. I mean, it's not just blue. I don't know if the camera is focusing and you can see. Let me zoom in a little bit. It has like a carbon fiber. It has a carbon fiber look to it. It's not just blue. It has blue and some black mesh in it. So as you can see, it says Futaba 7th anniversary 18SZ. So let's open it up. Let's start with the small stuff. Your orange Futaba neck strap, your heavy duty switch. I don't usually use these on my bigger airplanes. I would use it on small nitro airplanes. It's fine. Foam pads. I guess these are to hold the battery in the battery compartment. Keys for the case. Let's see what else is here. I guess this is used for the included receiver, just to change the modes and to do the linking process. So it comes with a 7008 SB. This is one of my favorite receivers. I've used it in a lot of applications. So here's the radio. This thing is gorgeous. Wow. Videos and pictures that I watched on it doesn't even give it, I mean, there's no justice. It doesn't make it justice in the pictures and video. I'm sorry, I'm just mesmerized. And one thing that's upsetting me, there are a lot of finger marks on the radio, as if it has been used before, or I'm hoping someone just took it out to make sure it's working. The gimbals feel absolutely nice. So let's hook up the battery, turn it on. Like I said, pictures and videos don't do this radio justice. I mean, you need to see it by yourself. Created with the 70th anniversary logo. I mean, it feels just like my old friend, my 18SZ, just in a shinier, more beautiful finish. I guess all same menus. But I'm telling you, these gimbals feel absolutely nice. They're loose. I like my gimbals to be as tight as possible. So I'll work on that. But yeah, this thing is gorgeous, to say the least. Power cord for charging. I'm surprised they did not include one of those cloths for cleaning the radio. I mean, it's not the end of the world, but this is a fingerprint magnet. I mean, you could see fingerprints everywhere. What else? Yep, I'm gonna be putting a screen protector on it. The website is called rcscreenprotectors.com. Make sure to check them out. They have all sort of screen protectors for all different kind of radios. It's a good investment. They have like specific screen protectors for whatever device, not only radios but all kind of devices. So it's cut to the size to fit the 18SZ, this specific one, but you could get it for a bunch of other stuff. So that's pretty much it. I hope you liked the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll try to make a couple more videos explaining some functions and some. I'm no expert by no means, but I've had the chance to set up foamies to jets on the 18SZ, so kind of know a bit. So I'll make some videos in the near future about some of the stuff that confuses people, and hopefully that would be helpful for some of you. Thank you again for watching, and have a good one. Happy flying.